Okay, come and get me. I'm gonna do an unboxing of these 3 fugglers. This, and this. Alright, so I'll open up the rabbit looking one first. I don't care if this gets ripped, I don't care about that. I'm just trying to get this. That's the barcode and QR code and all that stuff. They're $5 each at the dollar store in the box like this. So, yeah. Nice. I got this out. I'm gonna get it at Walmart or on Amazon or at your local toy store. From Spin Master, Canadian company. UK invention and design. And then there it is. This is the rabbit one. Looks cute there. And this just gonna move up and down like that. So that's not furry, but that's okay. And there's the little button on the butt, and then there's just a little rabbit. These eyes glow in the dark. I saw it last night. The eyes were glowing. Only this part glows. Yeah, the rest doesn't. Alright, let's open up this one. This one looks like Mikey from Monsters, Inc. This one. I have 25 out of the 44 that you can collect. So, I just need 19 more to go and I have the whole set. And these are not bad price, just for $5 each for something in the box and $4 for the surprise bags. And then $25 for 6 of these at Winners. So there it is. I like this one. Looks like a Mikey from Monsters Inc. I like this. And there's the back right there. This one's the heaviest so far. This one's lighter. This one's heavier. It's made out of recycled plastic, and this is the back of the box. Right there. QR code. JRC Toys, Spin Masters on the other side. Funny, ugly monster. Collectible figures. Okay. How about this one? The gremlin looking one. This one I like the most. Oh, it's like a rainbow color. I just like it. Don't care about the boxes. Here it is. Another one. This one looks like a gremlin. A rainbow gremlin. I like it. It's so cute. And this one. There's a back. This one I like the most. I like this one and this one are tied for first place. And this one got second place out of the 3 I got. There. This is awesome. I just need to get 19 more and I have the whole set. Look at this cute one. You go to my other videos and you can see the other ones I did. And you can see the ones I have. And yeah, this is cute. Look at this. Hello, I'm a Fuggler. Hello, I'm Mikey. Hello, I'm a Mogwai. My name's Gizmo, Rainbow Gizmo. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. I am Peter Cottontail. Hello. Fugglers. Look at this. A Mogwai. Look at the Mogwai. It's a Mogwai. Fugglers. Fugglers. Neat.